On today's menu we have Mysore style mutton biryani. Hello fellow chefs, this is Zainab Ali. Welcome to Dish Out. Here I try to recreate and improvise recipes while reserving the authentic taste of the dish. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and don't forget to like, comment and share if this recipe was good enough for your taste buds. In a pressure cooker, pour oil. Drop in black peppercorns and a black cardamom, followed by onions. And mint leaves. Mix well. Once the onions brown, add in ginger garlic paste. Put in coriander leaves and green chilies. Dash in turmeric powder. And red chili powder. Incorporate. Dump in the mutton. Sprinkle over some black pepper powder. Pour in water and season with salt. Now put on the lid. Once the water reduces, turn up the heat. To a pot with water, add coriander leaves, mint leaves, salt, and yellow food coloring. Now dump in white rice. Once it's completely cooked, add in the korma. Incorporate. Dum cook the biryani for 10 to 15 minutes.